Oh, I see her. She's right there.
Right here?
Yeah, I see her now.
Oh, okay.
See one of them out there.
Yeah, and the life jacket.
Yeah.
Occupied.
Not all of them have life jackets.
I hear them get out. Do you want to wear what? You want this one? You want to go?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Not all of them have them.
Is that Caleb? Oh my God. Go Caleb! Woo, Caleb! That is so cute.
The rider in the back.
Yeah. Train them young, you know?
Is this the first time they've had like young canoers?
I think, yeah.
Either that or I wasn't paying attention. Are they going to race or are they just going to paddle?
No, they're going to race.
Are they?
Yeah, around the corner. I think it's